Hi, I'm Daniel Bailey. I'm a mortgage broker at Middleton Finance, and I've just been to see a young couple who are looking to buy their first home together. We've just discussed mortgage options, and I've also advised where for them to start. And the first thing I've recommended is that they check their credit rating, because to be able to get a mortgage, you do need to pass affordability checks with that lender, but also to pass a credit search. And especially if you're going for a 90 or a 95% mortgage, you're going to need a good to excellent credit rating. So the first thing I've recommended is that they register for the electoral roll. This can be something that you can do with your local council, and in the eyes of the lender, this is a big one because it just verifies to them that you are who you say you are. Lenders will also look at your most recent 3-year address history, so the more stable that is, the easier it will be for them to pick you up on any searches. If you've got any debts, any credit cards, loans, car finance, even your bank account, just ensure that they are all registered at your current address. So when they do a search, they'll be able to pick you up there. If you've got any debts, loans, credit cards, car finance, just make sure that all the payments are on time. If they're not, this can have an effect on your credit rating and potentially getting a mortgage. If you've got any credit cards and you don't clear the balance every month, set up a direct debit as an insurance policy so you don't have any late or missed payments. You can still make payments on top of that, but as I say, it's just to stop you missing any payments, because we all live very busy lives. It's very easy to do. If you've got a bank account, just make sure that is well conducted, and if you've got any agreed overdraft limits with it, try to stay within that. Applying for credit, try to avoid applying for a lot of credit in a short period of time. This can ring alarm bells with lenders. And payday loans, a lot of lenders don't like to see that you've had a payday loan, so that could have an effect on you getting a mortgage. Renters, there's some fantastic news if you're currently renting. There's a company called Credit Ladder. I believe they set up in March or April this year, and basically how it works is that if you're confident you can make your rent on time, you will be rewarded for doing so. Much like you are for making your mortgage payments, for renters now, this can be a benefit to you if you're confident you can make the payments on time. But go on the Credit Ladder website, give them a ring, and they'll certainly be able to help you. One last other tip as well, when you move in house, set up a redirection with the Royal Mail, because I recently had a client where they thought they'd paid off all their utility bills and they hadn't. There was a small balance left. They didn't have a redirection, and this had an effect on their credit rating. So where do you go to check your credit rating? Experian and Equifax are two of the major credit referencing agencies. Go online and you can register for a free 30-day trial and opt for the detailed report. This will give you a score, and it will also give you a credit profile. Also, you can give them a ring at Experian or Equifax. Once you've got that report, they will talk you through it, and they could also help you if you need to improve your credit rating. I hope those tips have been of use. Thank you very much for listening. Happy house hunting, and I'll hopefully speak to you soon.